In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Shopify product schema to your store. If you have been trying to improve how your products appear in search results, adding product schema can be a helpful step. Product schema is structured data, which helps search engines understand what your product pages are about, including key details like what the product is and what it offers. In this tutorial, you will add your product schema code using Shopify theme settings and the custom CSS area, and you will confirm the changes by saving. To begin, open your Shopify admin dashboard and look for the section that relates to the appearance of your store. The first thing you need to do is click Online Store. This area is where Shopify groups everything related to your storefront theme and design. Taking this step first helps you stay in the correct settings so your schema code is placed in the right place for your theme. Next, you will need to edit the theme. Click Edit Theme. When you click this, Shopify will take you into the theme customization environment. This step is important because the schema you add will be tied to the theme that your store is currently using. Make sure you are editing the correct theme, especially if you have multiple themes. After that, you will move into the theme settings. Click Theme Settings. This section contains configuration options that affect how your theme behaves. It is also where you can find areas for adding custom code, so you can add your product schema without manually editing many files. Now you are ready to locate the custom code area. Click Custom CSS. You will see a text box or an editing field where you can paste or type content. Even though the label says Custom CSS, this is commonly used in Shopify themes as a convenient place to include custom snippets, as long as the theme supports it. In this case, you will paste your product schema code here so it can be included on product pages. At this point, add your product schema code into the custom CSS field. Carefully paste the code exactly as you have it. Pay attention to spacing, quotation marks, and any opening or closing tags. If the code includes multiple lines, keep the formatting the way it is provided. This matters because schema must be valid, so search engines can read it correctly. Once your product schema code is added, take a moment to review what you pasted. Look for obvious typos, missing characters, or anything that seems cut off. Also check that the code is placed in the intended area and that nothing else in the box is accidentally modified. This quick review helps prevent issues that can happen when a snippet is partially pasted. Finally, once you are satisfied that the code is correct, click Save. Saving applies your changes to the theme. After you save, it may take a little time for Shopify to update the site. If you want to verify the results later, you can review a product page and use a structured data testing tool to confirm that the schema is being recognized. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.